Hi guys, so today we're going to start talking about evaluating and then adding and subtracting polynomials. Evaluations, you've done this before. Keeping in mind f of x really just means y. It's another way to denote y. Let's change colors here. I want to know what this function is when x is equal to 3. So we're going to replace x's with 3. So we're going to have 2 times 3 to the 4th power minus 8 times 3 squared plus 5 times 3 minus 7. So like I said, anywhere you see an x is where we're going to substitute in a 3. And this is saying what is the function when x is equal to 3, replacing x's with all the 3's. This gets us 2 times 81, and you may use a calculator for this. Minus 8, 3 squared is 9, plus 15, that should look more like a minus 7. That gets us 162 minus 72, combining these two guys up here, plus 8, and we wind up with f of 3 is equal to 98. Okay, let me show you just one more. I'm looking for the function g of x. It could be used as any letter here. It doesn't have to be f. I want to know what is g of x, which is this whole evaluation here, when x is equal to negative 2. With the negatives, you just really want to be careful with your signs. The same thing, we're going to replace everywhere we see an x with negative 2. Then we start the evaluation. This was cubed. So negative 2 cubed means negative 5 times negative 8. Should be a little negative in there. Plus 2 times positive 4. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. A negative times a negative gets us plus 12 and then plus 10. Here we're going to get 40 plus 8, and then combining up these two, we get 22. So we find f of negative 2 to equal 70. All right, so you guys try these next two. Again, answer key is in Schoology. Please compare. We're going to add polynomials. Really just means CLT, combining like terms. X's with x's, numbers with numbers. So I'm going to take this 3x and combine it with this minus 7x, getting us negative 4x. 10 plus 8 is going to get us 18. So that one's pretty simple. Let's look at another. Combining up like terms, so x cubes with x cubes is going to be a total of 4x cubed. X squares with x squares is going to give us minus 8x squared. There's only one x term here, so minus x. And then combining up the constants, we get plus 1. And again, we want to write these in standard form, going in descending order. Just one more here. I only see one x to the 4th, so minus 5x to the 4th. It's just the 1x cubed, so plus 6x cubed. It's just the 1x squared plus 9x squared. We have minus 7x, but we do have two constants here, so we're going to get just the plus 1. All right, I have 3 problems for you guys to try on your own. Again, answer key in Schoology. Subtracting polynomials, kind of like adding, we just have to distribute the negative to the second expression and then combine like terms. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure to combine that. So I'm going to bring down the first term. And then we've got minus 8x minus 3. Just looking to combine up like terms here, we're going to have minus 7x squared. Combining these two guys up here, minus 5x minus 3. And there's our answer there. You can also do this kind of vertically if you wanted. You could have minus 7x squared plus 3x plus 0, just holding a spot there. And then you could have said, okay, we've got minus 8x and then a minus 3. And some people like to see it vertically because then it's kind of easy to see exactly what combines with what. Either way, you get the same answer. All right, I'm going to do this one vertically as well. So let's see. I'm going to write the first term. So 2x to the 4th. Just going to put a 0 for the x cubed term. We got minus x squared plus 4x minus 9. Distributing this term through to each piece is going to get us minus 5x to the fourth. So just lining it up vertically. Minus 7x squared plus 8x. It's essentially going to change all the signs. Plus 1. That's going to get us minus 3x to the fourth. Minus, let's see here, 8x squared plus 12x minus 8. All right, there's 2 problems for you guys to try again, and then you can compare your keys. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.